team, in this video we're going to be talking about the parts of a compass. A compass is a super important navigational tool for when you're out in the bush. Before we even start taking bearings or anything like that, we have to learn the parts of the compass and what they mean and how they work. So the first thing we're going to learn is this base plate. The base plate helps you measure things on your map, and it also stabilizes the compass when you're putting it straight on the map there. This is the direction of travel arrow right here. So when you take your bearing, that arrow is the arrow that you will be walking in the direction of. Okay, so it's super important to tell you which way you're meant to go. If we look down a bit, this circle is the dial. You can rotate around, and all those numbers on there, they tell us the actual bearing of what we're walking to. Now, if we look in the dial just here, you can see that there is a teeny tiny white line. We've had to zoom up real close for you because it's really hard to see on camera, but that is what we call our index pointer. The index pointer can tell us the exact degree of our bearing once we orient the dial. Alrighty, so next we want to look in the middle of the dial. You'll find these black and red lines. These are called our orienting lines. And when we use these, when taking a bearing, we line them up with the northings of our map, and that will help us orientate the map and the compass correctly when we're trying to follow our bearing. Next, we have what we call our needles. You can see that there's two sides. One is red, that's north, and one is south, that's white. We often call the north side red, and when we're taking a bearing, we'll put red in the shed, which is this red arrow box here. So that'll help us find our bearing and then follow the direction of travel arrow. And alright, that's it. That's all you need to know about our compasses. And in the next video, I'll be doing an example of how to take a bearing, and I'll be using these terms. Thanks for watching.